Today we will solve an interesting and very important math Olympiad problem. X over 6 times x over 6 equals 6 over x times 6 over x. We have to find the value of x. Now we will start the solution by first multiplying x with x, numerator with numerator and denominator with denominator. It will becomes x square by 6 square equals 6 square by x square. Now we will cross multiply. It will becomes x square, 6 square, 6 square. This is the basic formula that a power m times a power n with the same base and the different powers, then power will add up, a power m plus n. So here these powers will add up, 2 plus 2, 6, 2 plus 2. So it becomes x4 equals 6 power 4. Now we'll subtract both sides by 6 power 4. 6 power 4 cancel. So we'll left with x power 4 minus 6 power 4 equals 0. Here we can write this as x square whole square minus 6 square whole square equals 0. Now there is a formula that a square minus b square always equals to a plus b, a minus b. So we will put here this formula becomes x square plus 6 square, x square minus 6 square equals 0. So we have two factors. We will first take x square plus 6 square equals 0. It will be x square plus 36 equals 0, or x square equals minus 36. We take square root on both sides, square cancel with square root. We are left with x equals plus minus 6 iota, where iota is under root minus 1 and under root of 36 is 6. Now we'll take this factor, x square minus 6 square equals 0. It becomes x square equals minus 6 square equals 0. As this is a square minus b square, it will become x minus 6, x plus 6 equals 0. So x will be equal to 6 minus 6. So we find 4 values of x, that is 6 minus 6 plus 6 iota minus 6 iota. So that's all from today. Thank you for watching my video.